Yo, how's it going everyone? SO here, back with another video. As you can probably tell by the title, I finally bought myself a pair of Modulo side skirts for the Civic. This is the Modulo side skirts next to the Civic. UPS just dropped off. Pretty excited for it, been waiting for about almost a week for them. So I've been owning the Civic for about 3 to almost 4 years now, and I never got around to purchasing myself a set of side skirts for the Civic. The Civic does look good, but I think it's time to make it look even better. And the best thing you could do for the 9th Gen Civics is to get yourself a pair of side skirts. So super excited to see how this is going to look on the Civic. So let's unbox it and let's get it installed. I did purchase this off eBay. I'll leave a link in the description below for those of you that are interested in checking these out. I think these look a lot better than the Mugen ones or the other side skirts that are offered for the 9th Gen Civics, just because it's very subtle, very simple, and I think it flows with the body lines of the Civic a lot nicer. So I already cut the tape. Let's open the box and see what comes in this package. So we got, looks to be the driver's side. Oh, passenger, driver's side. Driver's side skirt. And the passenger side skirt. It did come taped, but I already cut it. Like, they taped it right in the center. And it did come with 2 rolls of double-sided tape, which you will need to install the side skirts onto the Civic. And that's it for the box. Oh, sorry. And then the screws are wrapped towards the end here. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get one of the skirts unwrapped and let's see how they look. Alright, so this is the skirt. Like how I mentioned earlier, it is a very simple design. Tapes off towards the end. It has this little bulge towards the end here. It does come with 2 brackets on the bottom for you to mount under the car, and on this side is where you will line the double-sided tape to mount onto the Civic. This is polyurethane and it's pretty smooth already, so I'm probably just gonna hit it one time with probably like a thousand grit sandpaper, add some adhesion promoter, and lay the primer and lay the paint. This should be nothing but another easy install. Let's not waste any more time. Let's go ahead, get this on the rack in the backyard, and let's get this painted so we can get this installed on the car. Alright, and I'm gonna hit the side skirts with about 3 coats of adhesion promoter. Alright, got it primered. Gonna let that dry for about another 20 minutes and then we'll throw on this, throw a few coats of this and some clear and we should be good. Alright guys, here are the side skirts. For a backyard job, they aren't too bad. I am pretty satisfied with it. So next up, I'll be prepping the inner edge of the side skirt. Here, all the way across by applying some 3M adhesion promoter. I will link this in the description if you guys are interested in purchasing these. These do help out a lot. And I'm also gonna clean and prep the surface of the car so the double-sided tape have a nice clean area to mount on. So let's go ahead and get to prepping. All right, guys, the side skirts are on. It is kind of dark in here, so let me go and pull the car out so we get a better look at the side skirts on the Civic. Alright, and there she is, guys. The side skirts are finally on. Fitment is alright, it's not too bad. They had to stretch this part out a little bit on both ends, but pretty satisfied with the fitment. I do plan on adjusting it maybe later in the future, but for now, it's good where it's at. The car does look a whole lot nicer. Look at that. Just missing the rear spats, but stay tuned for that video. I'm still working on a few tweaks. It's not wanting to stick on the end, so I'm still trying to figure out a solution for that, but stay tuned for the rear spats. But the side skirts definitely make a huge difference on the 9th Gen Civic SIs. Alright guys, so there they are. The Modulo side skirts on the Civic. I don't know why I didn't do these sooner, but I'm glad that I finally got them on. Alright, so that's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in all the way to the end. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up. It will definitely help me out. And as always, remember to always stay lurking.